Hello, I'm here to demonstrate about the experiment number 7 in the case tools lab. This experiment is dealing with the forward engineering concept. So I'm designing my application for the game designing application. So what is forward engineering? It is a process in which you transform a given model into a source code. I mean into a code where like through which you will be able to map to an implementation language. Okay, in simple words, forward engineering is just converting a diagram into a source code, into a code. So forward engineering requires applications of software and engineering principles, etc. It is used for the process of generating a code from a given design. Okay, so this is my class diagram, the game design, game controller, game attribute, and game condition. So that is my class diagram. That class diagram, I'm going to convert it into a forward engineering. So here, first I have to go to the model menu and select the profile option. So in the profile option, I have to click on the profile option. Then you have to select the C++ and the Java code, and you have to press the include option. And then after you pressing the include option, you have to create a folder to save the generated code, some folder on the desktop, so that there'll be many files, folders which will be many files which will be generated after the code is generated. So for that, instead of just making it clumsy, you have to just create a folder so that you can arrange everything into that folder. Then the next step is you have to go to any class diagram and right click on it and select generate code in either Java or C++. Just select the diagram and go and press the Java or C++ and just click generate code. Then after that you have to specify the location where you have to generate the code. Now as I have told you that you create, it's better to create a folder on the desktop. So you just create a folder on the desktop and then you can say give the option there. Then the next one will be they will ask you for a few like for everything you want to generate it or only for few things. So whichever ones you want to generate it, just select or deselect it based upon your choice. Then next, the final step is that the code will be generated successfully. So there'll be a pop-up box appearing like this. Just click next, and then it will be like Java code generated successfully. So for uh, so this is how you create a forward engineering process. So this is the code which will be generated in your files which you're going to save in the folder. Okay, it will be a Java code because I have selected a Java code. So the Java code will appear in my files. So I have selected a few. So that those classes will be created like public class item, public class player, uh, and so on. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.